We recently showed you Rally Innovations custom front and side splitters available exclusively at CJ Pony Parts for your 2015 through 2020 GT350. Today we're going to show you the matching 4-piece rear and install it on this 2019 Ruby Red GT350. Like other Rally Innovations splitters, these are made right here in the USA of high quality 11 gauge aluminum and then powder coated with a matte black finish. The kits can include all 4 rear pieces, decals which are going to be your template for where to drill your holes, all necessary hardware, and detailed instructions. All right, to begin your installation, get your Shelby up in the air. You remove these 2 bolts and these 3 plastic clips. Next, remove these 2 push pins up in here. They're on the inside of the lower bumper. This will just give you a little more room to work. Now you put your splitter up into place here and reinstall these 2 10mm bolts. Don't tighten them all the way just yet. Just get them snug. Okay, now we're going to grab this applied hardware. This is going to be the smaller, shorter bolts. Put a washer on and push it up through. Then put a washer, a lock washer, and a nut on the top. Now we can tighten everything up. Once the bolts are tight, you can reinstall the 2 push pins. Now the next piece is going to mount right here. So we want to get this panel off so we have access underneath for the hardware. So we're going to remove 2 bolts and all these plastic pins. And the last 2 are going to be just Christmas tree clips. So kind of just get in there and carefully pry it down. I grab the included template. I'm working on the passenger side. There's a little edge over here that lines up with the edge. The template in place, now we can drill out the holes. And with the shorter end on the outside, so apply bolts on first. And flat washer. And now we can tighten down. All right, once it's tight, repeat the process on the other side. Okay, now both sides finished. Put the rear pan back up into place. And your installation is finished. The Rally Innovations rear splitter ties the whole kit together perfectly and makes the rear of our Shelby even more aggressive looking. As far as installation goes, give yourself about an hour and a half or so, and you'll be back on the road in no time.